Understanding in depth. Fundamentals of creating Google Ads. Creating effective Google Ads requires a solid understanding of its fundamental components and strategies. This comprehensive guide will delve into the core concepts of crafting successful Google Ads campaigns, from keyword research to ad optimization. 1. Defining your objectives. Before you dive into creating Google Ads, establish clear objectives. Are you aiming to drive website traffic, generate leads, boost sales, increase brand awareness, or promote an app? Defining your goals will shape your campaign structure and messaging. 2. Navigating the Google Ads interface. Upon logging into your Google Ads account, you'll encounter a user-friendly interface divided into campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. This hierarchy allows you to organize your advertising efforts efficiently. 3. Keyword research. Start by conducting thorough keyword research. Utilize tools like Google's Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords that your target audience might use to find your products or services. 4. Campaign creation. Begin by creating a campaign tailored to your goals. 1. Campaign types. Choose between search, display, video, shopping, or app campaigns, each suited to different objectives. 2. Settings. Configure settings such as location targeting, language preferences, and ad schedule. 5. Ad group structure. Within each campaign, organize ad groups based on specific themes or keyword clusters. This ensures that your ads and keywords remain closely related, improving ad relevance. 6. Crafting compelling ads. Developing persuasive ad copy is crucial. Each ad should consist of 1. Headlines, attention-grabbing and relevant to the user's query. 2. Descriptions, a brief description highlighting benefits and a clear call to action, CTA. 7. Ad extensions. Enhance your ads with extensions that provide additional information to users, increasing ad visibility and engagement. Common extensions include 1. Site link extensions. Direct users to specific pages. 2. Call-out extensions. Highlight key benefits. 3. Structured snippets. Showcase product categories. 8. Keyword match types. Understanding keyword match types is crucial to controlling when your ads appear. 1. Broad match. Ads appear for variations and synonyms of keywords. 2. Phrase match. Ads show for queries that include the keyword phrase in a specific order. 3. Exact match. Ads appear only for the exact keyword or close variations. 9. Quality score and ad rank. Google assesses the relevance and quality of your ads using quality score. A higher quality score leads to better ad placements and lower costs. Ad rank determines your ad's position based on bid, quality score, and ad extensions. 10. Bidding strategies. Choose a bidding strategy aligned with your goals. 1. Manual CPC. You set maximum CPC bids. 2. Automatic CPC. Google automatically adjusts bids to maximize clicks. 3. Target CPA. Google optimizes bids for a specific cost per acquisition goal. 11. Conversion tracking. Install the Google Ads conversion tracking code on your website to measure actions such as purchases, sign-ups, and downloads. This data helps optimize campaigns for better results. 12. Ad testing and optimization. Continuous testing is essential for improvement. 1. A/B testing. Create variations of ads to identify what resonates best with your audience. 2. Ad rotation. Optimize settings to show ads with the best performance more frequently. 13. Negative keywords. Implement negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant queries, ensuring your budget is used effectively. 14. Landing page relevance. Your landing page should align with your ad's message and provide a seamless user experience. A relevant landing page improves user satisfaction and conversion rates. 15. Monitoring and analysis. Regularly review your campaign's performance using the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics like center, conversion rate, and quality score to identify areas for improvement. 16. Continuous learning. Google Ads is ever evolving. Stay updated by reading blogs, attending webinars, and utilizing resources provided by Google's Academy for Ads. 17. Seeking professional help. For more complex campaigns, or if you're short on time, consider consulting digital marketing professionals who can provide expertise and strategic guidance. Mastering the fundamentals of creating Google Ads requires dedication and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following these in-depth insights and continuously refining your strategies, you'll be well on your way to creating impactful, results-driven campaigns that contribute to your business's growth and success.